Hi guys, so straight to the point. Today I want to replace my rear stabilizer ring here, rear stabilizer ring, because you know it's already produce a knocking sound. Okay, recently I changed my rear absorber, and then change the absorber because it of the absorber failure. My tires surface, the groove is not, it's uneven, sorry, it's uneven. So I changed my absorber, rear absorber. See, it's pinkish color. And then now the problem is this stabilizer ring. I get my parts already. I show it to you. Okay, so this is the replacement Sankei Industry. The parts number you can see clearly, SLH325L. Okay, that is the part number. Right, there are 2 units, left and right. There's a tab inside. This is for right side R, and this is for L, right side, left side. Okay, unboxing. Right, so you need this 5 mm hexagon range Allen keys, 5 mm, and then another one, the bolt. You need to use this wrench. Okay, this is 14 mm. Okay, 14 mm. See clearly, yeah, 14 mm, and 5 mm hexagon Allen wrench to remove the nut. So we need to have both of these tools. Okay, right, so now you see I move one unit. This is right side, and then you can continue do on the left side. But before we do this, you make sure that we jack both sides, jack up both sides, so that this stabilizer bar did not have any weight on it, so it is free. Okay, if you did not check, okay, maybe one side of this, so it is difficult for you to remove the nuts, to remove the stabilizer ring. Okay, okay, so this is it. All unit Okay. Actually, yes, can feel it hard. This one is free, see. The other one, this one, actually I already take it out last week and just play with it, put it back while I'm waiting for my new parts to come. So yeah, this is the replacement, the new unit. See, this is pointing the other side. Oh, unit. Okay, so what happened just now is okay, to take out this board, I need to put the spanner and then this Allen wrench to hold the bolt. Okay, so I can unscrew this nut. Okay, without this Allen wrench the whole thing will turn. Okay, so I will, of course it is difficult to take the nut out. All right, so after this I will put the new one, put the bolt back, and that's all. It's done. Then I move to the, this is right, so I move to the left side. Okay guys, so hope this short video will help you to replace yours DIY. Okay, thanks. Okay.